Well, hello there again. I'm Onyx Goddess, and thank you so much for returning to my channel. This is Energy Vibrations 33, and today I'm going to be doing a nature reading. So let's tap in and see what messages the nature has to tell us, what wisdom we can receive today. Let's see what messages we start with. We have the Hawk Spirit. Let Spirit be your guide. Let Spirit be your guide. It's a nice way to start the reading. Spirit being our guiding truth. Any other messages? We have Starfish, open to infinite possibilities. So anything is possible once you let Spirit be your guide. So we have number 32, which reduces to a 5. And then we have number 59, which reduces to 14, which reduces to 5. Well, which adds up to 14 and reduces to 5. Then we have the Otter Spirit, you are never alone. And you are never alone because Spirit is always with you, guiding you towards the infinite possibilities. And you have nothing, you have here the Wolf Spirit, turn knowledge into wisdom. So you've been acquiring knowledge all this time. Wisdom is the applied knowledge. So you're going to be turning that wisdom into, going to be turning that knowledge into wisdom with the help of Spirit. We have two cards jumping out. We have the Bee Spirit. Sweet results await. Nice. Once you turn that knowledge into wisdom, you have sweet results awaiting you. And then you have the Grasshopper Spirit, where you take the leap of faith. So you know that Spirit is guiding you because you're never alone and you can feel the support all around you. You know, you have that gut feeling that, hey, I'm not alone in this decision. I'm being guided, I'm being supported by my creator, by my support system, by my guides. You have that, you've been developing knowledge over all these years. And now you're going to be applying that knowledge towards the things that you want to bring forth into this existence. You're open to infinite possibilities and you're taking the leap of faith towards seeing sweet results that already await you. So it's not like maybe, but you have here sweet results await. It's a confirmation that they are awaiting you. You have the Eager Spirit. Spirit has your back. So you are fully supported and Spirit does have your back. So you have a 23 here, which reduces to 5. So you have 5, 5, 5 here on the board. And 5 equals change. It's a symbol of change and things transforming, new transitions you're going through in life. You have brand new changes ahead. And then we have, I honestly didn't see this card. We have card number 5. So you have 5, 5, 5, 5. And this says a rebirth is assured. The Bat Spirit, a rebirth is assured. So you have 4 5s here. I'm going to name this reading that 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Change. All right, so we have here be playful, and that's literally what we're doing. We're laughing and being playful with the Sandpiper Spirit. We were laughing and being playful. You have Dog Spirit, be loyal to what you love. So the things that you enjoy, the things that you love doing, be loyal to those things because the more that you're in the vibration of love and happiness is the more you're going to be bringing in the things that you want because love is a very strong vibration. We have the White Raven Spirit, trust in the magic. Trust in the magic. There's magic happening all around you. You have infinite possibilities because spirit is guiding you. You're never alone. You have spirit has your back. You're taking the leap of faith. You have a rebirth. You're being playful and enjoying what is happening. We have here think on your feet with the fox spirit. Think on your feet. Okay, so I'm going to go to the other deck to see what messages we have to support this. What other supporting messages do we have here? We have here humpback whale singer. Sing healing songs for the world. Your inner navigation always guides you. Nothing can stop you or keep you from your goal. Align with your purpose and power in your soul. At the point where I said the inner navigation always guides you, my phone went off as a confirmation. So your inner guidance always guides you. You have that inner knowing, that inner spirit, your intuition is very strong. You're trusting in the magic. You're thinking on your feet when opportunities appear. And even from the ego spirit, you know that spirit has your back. But not only that, but with the ego spirit, you're having an eagle eye view of the situation. You have lion with your higher calling. So spirit is guiding you and assisting you with your higher calling. You have within you all the courage you need. Let go of the past and reclaim your majesty. You will find success and contentment with those by your side. Make noble choices for your life and your tribe. So your choices not only affect you or not only assist you, but they assist the people that are around you. It assists your tribe. So I'm getting that you can call upon your tribe for your support, for your anytime you need somebody to talk to or like a boost, you know who in your tribe that you can call on for that assistance. And if that physical assistance isn't there, you know you can always go to your creator. You know that spirit is always there guiding you and protecting you. So we have dog friend, and that's dog coming out twice. So there's loyalty, there's support, you have love surrounding you. The dog friend says, today I will love without condition. My energy and enthusiasm is an inspiration, and I choose to be happy. I am a protector and a friend. So, as it says here with the sandpiper spirit, be playful. The dog spirit says, be loyal to what you love. And your energy is of enthusiasm and of inspiration. So those two things are what help you to continue to be happy. So it says, I choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice because you can choose to be in a sulky way, but with all this greatness, all this support, the fact that you've taken the leap of faith already and you're awaiting the sweet results, like you're thinking on your feet, you're already that agile person, and you know as a lion or dogs or even a humpback whale, they're all leaders. They're all high on the food chain, basically. So foxes, wolf, dog, they're all part of the same family. And you know, they have this keen intuition, you know, they have this inner guidance, they have this inner knowledge and wisdom. That's what you're utilizing. You're utilizing the fact that, hey, I'm going to tap into my instincts. I know that what it is, I can trust what it is within me. And I know that I have infinite potential, infinite possibilities await me. There are things that you can do that you don't even know what it is that you're capable of at this time. We have all magic, and there was magic here before. Yes, with the white raven where it says trust in the magic. You're having double confirmations. We're seeing here that Spirit is repeating by saying, hey, I mean what it is that I say. The owl magic says, choose to know the truth because you can. Open your inner vision. You can see through deception. Let the past go and make room for a better life. Rise up. Magic and wisdom are your birthright. So you're turning the knowledge into wisdom, and that wisdom is your birthright. We have 10:22 on the clock. Magic and wisdom are your birthright. Let's see what, now that we've had the confirmation from the animals, let's see what confirmation we get from nature itself. We have dragon, discover your courage. And as you know, lions are known to be very strong and very courageous. So you are this, I'm getting rediscovering your courage. Even if it says here, discover your courage, and whether you're rediscovering the courage within you, you're tapping into that higher knowledge that's available to you, and you're utilizing your keen senses for you to keep your eye on your goal, for you to tap into that magic that you already know you own. It's just for you to see how great you are. Any other messages from this deck? Okay. We have Spirit Guardian of Autumn, letting go. What it is that you're letting go of. One of the cards here said that you're letting go of the past, yes, and reclaiming your majesty. So you are letting go, and we have Toadstool with growth. So letting go, and the Lion card had said, let go of the past and reclaim your majesty. You will find success and contentment with those by your side. And you have Toadstool, growth. So you are experiencing growth. You are experiencing the sweet results once you turn that knowledge into wisdom. The sweet results that await you, and the growth Toadstool card is not card number 44. And 44 equals stability, protection. You know, 4 is like 4 individual pillars. It's like a table. It shows that stability itself that you're being offered. So you have growth coming in. Any other cards? And we have success with this secret spring. We have success again. There was success here. Yeah, one of the cards said success awaits you. So you have the spring spirit, which is confirming that success does await. Just like how the bee here is saying to you that sweet results await you. There are things out there on the horizon that are coming in for you. Guardians of the land, you have protection. And look at that deer or elk in the background, offering you that protection, that watchful eye. You have crystal cave, trust. So you're trusting that you're being guided, you're letting go and allowing the growth to come in. And that growth is going to be attributing to your success, the success that you're going to be, oh, the success that you're going to be receiving. We have dragon here for a second time with power. So you're discovering your courage and you have power. So you double up on the dragon, double up on the dog. You have wolf, fox, dogs twice. Yeah, the hawk and the eagle. There's just a lot of double confirmations, and you had 5 5 5 5 4 fives on the board. Oh, and the dragon here is card is actually number 11, so double ones. You could be seeing any of those numbers, 5 5 5 5, 111, and there was a 44 here earlier. You have the rainbow waterfall miracles. So you have magic and miracles happening. What? You have great things out there happening for you. Magic and miracles. You have rainbow waterfall with miracles. You have power. You have dragon twice, and you see this dragon here, like it's helping to protect her light. It's helping to protect her energy, and you have protection here. Yes, you have protection with the guardian of the land. So you can literally see the guardian here protecting her light. So as a light worker, as a spirit being, you are being protected. As it says here that you're never alone. Yeah, the outer spirit. Trust that you're never alone. Any other messages? We have ancient oak spirit with strength. So you're receiving strength, or you're utilizing your strength because you know that you have a higher calling, and you had courage that was coming out here earlier, letting you know that you're supposed to utilize the courage within you to push forth, and to push forward towards the success that's coming. You have meandering pathway with the flow. And as you see with the meandering pathway, even if he's on a meandering pathway, you can see that he's been on a long journey. And you can see that he has that light which only shows him just a short distance in front. But if you look at the end of that pathway, you're going to see that there's a light. So literally the light at the end of his journey, after he's pushed through and done so much, he can finally see, hey, I'm at the end of this. But it's not just the destination, it is the journey. So he's reflecting on all what he's been through on the journey to help bring him this far. So that's the same thing that you're doing, and helping, and that those thoughts help to strengthen you, and actually help to strengthen your trust, because you know, hey, I've done something similar like this in the past. I have been in a point where I've just not known, and you've trusted your intuition, and you've trusted the fact that, hey, spirit has never let me down ever. So why not trust them now, knowing that everything will work out, and you still have confirmations that are saying to you everything will work out. So with the foggy bug, you have patience, to just have some patience and know that things are working out for you in divine timing. You might not know, but just expect the unexpected, because anything can happen at any time. Life always has a way of surprising us. Any other messages? Unicorn with purity. And I'm just getting that there's magic in the background. You can just see that there's magic oozing out, spreading out from this unicorn. It's not even to me about the purity, it's just, hey, the magic that you were told that you is coming in, you're seeing there as a confirmation that that is the magic. That's how you're going to be appearing to people, like a unicorn, like, hey, this person is unique, like they are no, like they don't remind me of anybody else. There's no one like them. And once you step in, all eyes on you, people are going to remember you, they're going to notice you, you're going to stand out. So the time that you've taken and all the things that you've been through, you are now tapping into your higher calling. You're now utilizing and the magic and the powers that you have to bring forth these miracles and the sweet results that await you. I'm getting that this is a really amazing reading, and whoever you are out there, I wish you all the best. I hope that there was something in this reading that was beneficial to you. And until next time, bye.